Removing pollutant particles as small as PM0.1 from the air inside your home has its challenges, but that's nothing compared to removing formaldehyde, which is 500 times smaller and can pollute continuously. Until now, scientists have used a variety of catalysts, like the ones found inside these minerals, to remove formaldehyde. But at a molecular level, you can see that these catalysts can react with other airborne chemicals in the home and quickly clog up, so can't remove the formaldehyde molecules, which just bounce off. While other catalysts like this one don't react enough, so again can't remove the formaldehyde molecules, which pass straight through. What we needed was a catalyst that reacted readily and specifically with formaldehyde molecules. And after much research, we found a solution made from this mineral Cryptomelane, which has unique properties. Its catalytic network of nanoscopic holes are perfectly sized to trap and destroy formaldehyde molecules, breaking them down into tiny amounts of water and CO2. Then the catalyst regenerates with oxygen from the air to keep destroying them continuously. This was the real breakthrough, which means this Dyson purifier is continuously removing formaldehyde from the air, clearing a box like this in the laboratory, or a much larger box like the one we all live in, whenever you need it to.